autopilot, the steering wheel started vibrated. I don't know what's happening. The last time it's happened maybe, I don't know, 3 years ago, but after that I already changed the half shafts, and after that everything was okay. And maybe when I found the problem with dust protection of half shafts, we changed in November 24 right one, and after that was everything okay, only start knocking, and if it's pneumo balance, we need to diagnose this one. And okay, we will change, but I think it's not cope with it's not help with this vibrations of the steering wheel. And when it's happened, on this year I already changed lower arms according to the warranty, and first of all was lower arms company manufactured by Thales, but right now it's Limferder. Maybe this is a problem. And after that I did twice or 3 times alignment, wheel alignment, and according to this last report everything is okay, but as a result I have vibration of 115. I don't know, it's possible to see from the sun, maybe where it's vibrated. And I started to visit the site, and on the site I had noise from the balloon. I found the bulletin yesterday how I can do the self-diagnostic. This is remove 2 bolts, and if the Rattling escape, Rattling escape, it's meaning maybe no need to pay for diagnostic, just need to replace the balance. Right now I'm gonna visit Volvo Tesla, and we'll ask Mikko about this issue. Let's see what we'll have after 3 hours. And weather is very good, 27 degrees.